Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Maple cutting block. There's instructions. It says void vegetable and nut-based oils, mineral oil, beeswax, and mineral oil combo. We recommend treating the board frequently in order to repel food particles. Alright. Just gonna buy mineral oil. So the care instructions: hand wash only. Never submerge in water. So this is more you need to take care of. So make sure that it lasts a long time. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's about the sheet of paper. And if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.